अस्सलाम वालेकुम जी दोस्तों, लर्नर कम्पिटिटिव एग्ज़ाम्स में खुश आमदीद। दोस्तों, आज हम हु वर्सेस हुम की करेक्शन डिस्कस करेंगे कि हु कहाँ यूज़ होता है और हुम कहाँ यूज़ होता है। तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, द प्रोनाउन हु इज़ ऑलवेज सब्जेक्टिव। जो हु है वो हमेशा सब्जेक्टिव के तौर पे यूज़ होता है। Use who wherever you would use the subjective pronoun he, I, he, she, we, or they. It is correct to say who wants to go, because we would say I want to go or we want to go. The pronoun whom is always an object. तो whom हमेशा ऑब्जेक्ट होता है। whom कब यूज़ करते हैं? जब ऑब्जेक्टिव प्रोनाउन मी, हिम, हर, अस और देम यूज़ करना हो। इट इज़ नॉट करेक्ट टू से हु डिड यू चूज़। यहाँ पे करेंगे वी वुड से हुम बिकॉज यू चूज़ मी और देम। हैंडी memory aid. Use this they or them method to decide whether who or whom is correct. They who के लिए, them whom के लिए। Who या whom wrote the letter. They wrote the letter. Therefore, who is correct. Who whom should I vote for. Should I vote for them. Therefore, whom is correct. We all know who या whom pulled that prank. This sentence contains two clauses. We all know and who या whom pulled that prank. We are interested in the second clause because it contains the who या whom. They pulled that prank. Therefore, who is correct. So we wondered who या whom the book was about. This sentence contains two clauses. We wondered and who या whom the book was about. Again, we are interested in second clause because it contains the who या whom the book was about them. Therefore, whom is correct. एक बार नोट कर लें, this rule is compromised by an odd infatuation people have with whom and not for good reason. As its worst, the use of whom becomes a form of one-upmanship some employ to appear sophisticated. The following is an example of pseudo-sophisticated whom. For example, a woman whom I think is a genius. तो ये incorrect है. In this case, whom is not the object of I think. Put I think at the end and the mistake becomes obvious. A man whom is a genius I think. तो correct form उसकी होगी a woman who I think is a genius. तो learn to spot and avoid these two common pitfalls. तो who ever और whom ever का करेक्ट यूज़ क्या होता है, तो इसकी करेक्शन कैसी होगी, आज हम ये डिस्कस करेंगे। तो टू डिटरमाइन वेदर टू यूज़ हु एवर और होम एवर, द दे देम रूल इन द हु होम सेक्शन अप्लाइज। जो हमने हु या होम के सेक्शन वहाँ पे स्टडी किया थे वो यहाँ पे भी अप्लाई होंगे। दे हु एवर और देम होम एवर। तो रूल नंबर फर्स्ट, द प्रेजेंस ऑफ whoever or whomever indicates a dependent clause. Use whoever or whomever to agree with the verb in that dependent clause regardless of the rest of the sentence. For example, give it to whoever या whomever ask for it first. They ask for it first. Therefore, whoever is correct. Second, we will hire whoever or whomever you recommend. You recommend them. Therefore, whomever is correct. We will hire whoever or whomever is most qualified. they are most qualified, therefore whoever is correct. Rule number 2, when the entire whoever or whomever clause is subject of the verb that follows the clause, analyze the clause to determine whether to use whoever or whomever. For example, whoever is elected will serve a 4-year term. Whoever is subject of is elected. The clause whoever is elected is the subject of will serve. So, whomever you elect will serve a 4-year term. Whomever is the object of elect. Whomever you elect is the subject of will serve. A word to the wise, whomever is even more of the vague word than whom. Many use it indiscriminately to sound cultured, figuring that no one will know any better. तो डियर स्टूडेंट, ये whoever या whomever में फ़र्क था और इसकी करेक्शन थी। तो इंशाल्लाह नेक्स्ट वीडियो में नए टॉपिक के साथ मिलते हैं। तब तक के लिए अपना ख्याल रखिएगा। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।